Namaste, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. Welcome everyone to ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. I hope you have already seen the lesson 13, which is the kagunitha first part, especially for the Kannada script learners. If you have not watched, please watch lesson number 13, then come to lesson number 14. Today we are doing lesson number 14 and kagunitha for two letters. So the letters are E and E. So before going to that, we'll do a quick revision. So we learned in the last class that if I combine half letter with the vowel then I'll get the ka. Similarly, if I combine the half letter with then I'll get a ka. So we learned this, and also we learned few words. So today let's learn how do I write when combining k with e and k with e. So we'll learn these two. So if you learn this, and this one is very easy. So there are two types of writing this. So we'll learn that. First we'll learn for the curved surface. What if I have a zero like this? How do I write? Remember the cursive letter O? How do you write? So this is how you write the cursive letter O, right? So remember this. I'll be using the same kind of a design. You can call as a design or a pattern. So if I have a curve for that, on the top you would make like this. This will make key. Clear? So to make it E sounding, remember the letter P? We'll write like this, right? But there is a slight twist. When I ask you to write, start from the top, write like this. Your circle should be small. We'll try once again. Start from the top, like this. Now, we'll write this one. First, I'll write like a key, and I write this. This is my key. Clear? Make sure when you write in the lines, so this is my k, this is my ka, length of the letter, right? And key. Key, length of the letter. Very important. Do not make it too short. Do not make it too lengthy. So we'll keep it to the length of the letter. Clear? We'll do this one. So now you can try this for the different letters. Key and key. We'll try for different letters. For G, I'll take the different letter now. Sorry, I'll take cha. It's very easy. Chi and chi. Clear? I'll take it for th. T and T. I'll take it for D. See, this is not complete curve, but this is a curve. D, D. So these are the letters where you have a curve. So what if I have a letter which doesn't have a curve? How do I write for that? So there are examples for that. For example, I have G. How do I write for G? There is no curve. So on the top, put this symbol. G and G. Similarly, I have for T. There is no curve. How do I write? T and T. Similarly, you can try for Ta also. Okay? Then you can also try for J. So how do I write for a J? So this one you will make a 0. G and G. Clear? Okay? We'll try for now different letter like a L. So how do you write for L? La is also similar to this. Li, li. Similarly, you can try for la. Try for n. So wherever we don't have a curve, you have to just make a 0 here. Okay. So after this, you have a picture. Please look into that and write it. From k to l, you will learn to write key and key. E sounding. Fine. Now let's look into few words, then make it a few good sentences. Not big sentences, 2-word sentence or 3-word sentence. So after this you have to try for all the letters, writing E and E sounding. Clear? Now, we'll take a word like, so this is chi, la, ka, chilaka. Chilaka means lock. What is this? Ha, ki. Ha ki means put. Put the lock. Chilaka, ha ki. Clear? Next one, we'll take one more. Na, ri, ya. Nari. Nari means fox. Nariya, fox. Bala, tail. Nariya bala, fox tail. We'll go for one more. A, li ke lavatu. Hope you remember this Ottakshara. Li means where. I have similar. Li. Ali means there. E, li. Ili means here. E, li. Ili means rat. Okay, so now try all these things. I'll give a words after this video, end of the video. Please make sure that you clear that activity. Okay, now let's learn for the E sounding also. So for the E sounding, let me erase this. So just remember, for the E sounding, you will put like a P after that. Okay, this is key, right? If I write this key, kita means insect. Biga, lock. Okay, next we'll go with la. Chila, her bag. Chila is a bag. Her bag. Avala chila. Ma, na, amma. Na, amma is a mother. Amma na, biga. Amma's lock. Biga is a lock. Okay, na? So after this activity, as I told you, please, you will get two different pictures for E words and the E words. Make sure you will write and practice those words. And try to write for E and E sounding from K to La. Very important. Okay, write it from K to Li and Ki to Li. And there is no sounding for Nya and Nya. Don't write for these two. Similarly in a sounding also. Okay, so practice this. Doubt idre comment maadi or write an email to yashaswikannadavaani@gmail.com. I'll meet you tomorrow. We'll learn kagunitha for another 2 more letters tomorrow. Okay, so thank you so much. Make sure you finish the activity. Do not forget to finish the activity. Thank you so much. Namaste.
From Yashaswikannadavaani, there are many e-books that is being launched even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the 10th book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist name Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Vandamale, Kagunitha, Vattakshura, Arkavali, and words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks, it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.